So here's how to delete YouTube channel. It's actually quite easy to do, but make sure that you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Chrome browser, and here you have to sign in to your Google account. After that, click on the data and privacy option at the top, and once you click on it, now it will open this page. Then here you have to scroll down and go to the option data and services that you use. Then from here you have to click on the YouTube option, and once you click on it, now it will open this page. Now here for the further changes you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on the desktop version. Once you enable the desktop mode, now it will show you the desktop version of this page. From here you have to again click on the delete a Google service option at the top left corner. Now it will ask you to enter your password. You have to enter your password and then click on the done option at the bottom. After that it will open this menu. From here you have to click on the trash icon in front of the YouTube. Once you click on it, now it will open this menu here. Now here you have to check these two boxes and then click on the delete my content option at the bottom. Once you click on it, now your channel will be permanently deleted from YouTube. So that's how to delete your YouTube account.